Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SCYX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green lines are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into the day, right here around the $2, $3 mark was that area of support, but with the price falling down below it, as the rule states, you would expect it to act as resistance. And that's exactly what played out here. You can see spent the entire afternoon just slightly below that level. So I'm not saying that the price can never, ever get back above that area. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is currently struggling right up around that area. But if the price can break above there, that would definitely be a nice step in the right direction with the next level of resistance. Then at that point, being right up here at around the $1.10 mark. But again, before you even focus at all on $1.10, price first needs to prove itself in the near term by getting up above $1.02. As far as levels of support that are now in play going into Friday, keep an eye on this 97-cent mark. That is this area of support down here, a former breakout point. And then you also have the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. And, that is going to be, both of these are basically aligning at the same spot now. So keep an eye on that going forward. So 97 cents, definitely a very important level of support going into Friday. So all in all, definitely still an interesting chart. The volume dropped off quite a bit today, and that doesn't necessarily mean that, it's a massive red flag. But it's one of those things where in order to have a good chance and good opportunities, you do need volume. So keep an eye on the volume down here, and we'll see if it can return to kind of how it was. Not necessarily it has to get as big as it was, but as far as volume, you also want to keep an eye on that. So yeah, let's see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.